Welcome back to another part of the Build Your Shed, whatever you want to call it video, budget video, whatever you want to call it. I am going to say I didn't pick up any materials yesterday, so I am going to technically price some materials today and see if what I'm looking for is going to work, and go from there. But at the same time, I do have some other materials to help out. And yes, I am driving and recording at the same time. But what I'm doing right now, I am going to go and stop and get me something to drink at our local water still. I feel like I want a raspberry drink, raspberry lemonade something. I'm stuck on this raspberry lemonade fix, and the lemonade has to be done a certain way, and there is only a couple places that has lemonade, and hopefully this water still has lemonade, and if it does, then I will be getting it. But we will resume after I go get my lemonade, and then I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I was about to say something different. Go to Home Depot and then get some other stuff after I get my drink. But I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get my lemonade raspberry instead of raspberry lemonade. My lemonade raspberry, and hopefully they got it. But if they don't, I just deal with it and go on. So, like I said, I'm just picking up, going to, get my drink, and then I'm gonna go to freaking Home Depot. Then after I get to Home Depot, I'm not gonna be working on the shed today because I have to be back at work to do a double. So I will be getting parts, and then after I get the parts, then I'll go back and work on it Thursday, which I was supposed to get the parts yesterday, so I can work, have the parts for tomorrow. But I didn't do that. I did everything backwards. So I'm going to Water Still right now, and I'm driving to Water Still right now, and hopefully they have lemonade. Like I said, I don't know. I should go see my buddy. He's at work. I should go see his ass, but should I see his butt, should I say? But I am going to go ahead and get me something to drink, and then go ahead and resume with my stuff. I'll probably just go ahead and visit him while I'm over here, because that's one of the things we said we're going to do and continue. So therefore, I'll probably just go visit him after we get done with Water Still. See, I'm at Water Still. Get done with Water Still, and my friend works at that place right there. I don't know if you can see it, but he works there, and I'll probably go visit him. He is the lead head man in charge. I almost said something else, but I had to catch myself. So I'll probably go visit him after I might not be able to use this video now because that music was playing in the background and I didn't know it. So we're going to go ahead and get this done, and then if I have to, I'll probably just figure out how to cut the music out and do it from there. So, or just go back and redo it or something like that. So what we're going to go do, I'm just going to go get me something to drink at Water Still, and then after I get something from Water Still, then we're going to go and get this started today. Well, get the wood and stuff like that, and then I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do after that. Maybe I can get a little bit done before I have to be at work. I have to be back at work at 4, so I got a little bit of time, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll try to get as much recorded if I get back on today. All right, we're resuming. I got my drink from Water Still. I'm headed, or should I say I'm at Home Depot. Just to go in here and price this wood real quick. Probably just gonna park on this side, because on this side, you can see it's right there at Home Depot. Like I said, here's to price this wood, and then go from there. But at the same time, people need to learn how to freaking drive, man. Oh my God. Like, you see somebody's turn signal on, but then you're gonna think you're gonna get out and get in front of these people. They got their turn signal on. I don't know. Most of these people, I feel like they don't know how to drive. Like, I feel like, how did you get your driver license? Did you do it where you're self-taught by your mom, or you're taught by your parents or something like that, instead of doing the driver's ed? Because the fact is, Not saying all parents are that way. I'm just saying some parents don't know how to drive, and then they try to teach their child how to drive. It's really crazy, you know. Like I know one person that thinks they know how to drive, but at the end of the day, they don't know how to drive, and it's like nerve-wracking, you know. Like, okay, you were taught by this person, but this person drove this way, so how can you? I don't know. I think they need to change that up a little bit on parents teaching their kids how to drive, because the simple fact is, like, some of these kids can't drive with crap, and you know, make it harder for the kids that, you know, think they know how to drive, because the simple fact is, it's getting harder and harder for drivers out here, and these people really think they know how to drive. But enough of that. Let's get in here and try to get deep pieces for the shed. Get these pieces for the shed. Or should I say price these pieces for the shed. I don't know if I'm gonna get them right now, because I can always get them tomorrow. But get them. I'm looking at this wood. This is the wood I need to come back and get. Yes, gotta come back and get it before they raise the price up on it again. Is this the same crap? Yeah, it's the same. It's the same stuff. I don't know if that's gonna be thick enough, but we're gonna make it work. Seems like everybody and their moms in here today. I need this one. Don't need this one. Or do I want this one? It won't even fit in the car. How much is this? $12, but it won't fit in the car, and I don't want that to stick out neither. I think I don't know what size these are. These 12 foot, 10 foot, and 8 foot. I think this is 8 foot. 8 foot. And these are 6 apiece. And I would need 3. 3 of them. So, like I said, I'm just trying to figure out and go from there. And I probably need some of this, but I got that at the house. Trying to figure out what's going to be feasible for me at the end of the day. At the end of the day, so I can't flip this. Can you flip it? No, you can't flip it. But I'm here, and I'll probably go ahead and give it some wood, and then come back and then go from there. So let me resume this here in just a second. Okay, we are done at Home Depot. I grabbed all my wood. I don't know if you can see it, but I grabbed it all. I had enough to get everything I need to get, and I went off what I thought I was going to need. I wound up getting 2 pieces of this right here. I don't know if you can see it. I wound up getting 2 pieces of this, 2 of these. One's gonna be for one thing, and one's gonna be for the other thing. And if I need any more, I can always get it tomorrow. But I just want to go ahead and get that done. I got 4 of the 2x4s by 8 or something like that. 2x4 by 8. So I can go ahead and get the top figured up and get it whatever. I might just go ahead and leave it at a straight slant down. I don't know. I want to look presentable, but I don't know. We'll get to that when I get to it. I don't want to put too much into it and not, I don't know, just I don't want to overthink it, should I say. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it here, and I will continue when I get to the house, and maybe when I'm unloading the wood and putting it in the backyard or something like that. I don't know. I don't want to just bore you with, lousy content. So therefore, I'll just, unload when I get home, probably eat, and then pick up the video tomorrow once I'm putting the things in or on the shed. That's probably what I'll do, and just go from there.